How to delete a photo on TikTok. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a photo on TikTok. So if there's a picture on your profile you don't want anymore, follow along step by step to remove it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Once you're on the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. This will take you to your profile page where all your posts and photos are displayed. Now, find the photo you want to delete and open it. You'll see a small three-dot icon. Tap on that. A menu will pop up with several options. Scroll through until you find Delete and tap on it. You'll get two options: delete and re-edit or just delete. If you want to remove the photo completely without any changes, tap Delete. Once it's deleted, go back to your profile page and you'll see the photo is gone. And here's a bonus tip. You can restore a deleted post within 30 days by going to the Activity Center in your settings. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily delete any photo on TikTok and keep your profile looking exactly how you want.